Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Apache Htaccess authentication for VPS apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Apache Htaccess authentication for your VPS apps, begin by logging into your VPS via SSH. Use your preferred terminal emulator and connect to your server using the appropriate command. Once you are connected, navigate to the directory of the application you want to secure. You can use the command cd/path/to/your/app to change directories. Next, you need to create a .htaccess file in that directory if it doesn't already exist. You can create this file using the command touch.htaccess. Open the .htaccess file in a text editor of your choice, such as Nano or Vim. Add the following lines to enable basic authentication. Auth type basic auth name restricted access auth user file /path/to/.password require valid user. Make sure to replace /path/to/.password with the actual path where you will store the password file. Next, create the password file using the password command. If the password utility is not installed, you will need to install it using your package manager. To create the password file, use the command password c/path/to/.password username. Replace username with the desired username for the authentication. You will be prompted to enter and confirm a password. After the password file is created, you can close the text editor. Next, ensure that your Apache configuration allows the use of .htaccess files. Edit your Apache configuration file, usually found at /etc/httpd/conf/httpd.conf or look for a section that contains allow override none and change it to allow override all. Save and exit the configuration file. Now, restart the Apache server to apply the changes. You can do this using the command sudo systemcll restart apache 2 or sudo systemcll restart httpd, depending on your system. To test the authentication, open your web browser and navigate to the secured directory. You should be prompted to enter the username and password you created earlier. If everything is set up correctly, you should gain access to your application. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Apache Htaccess authentication for your VPS apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.